Hi everybody, it's Dr. Francine from the Chiropractic Center, where we really care about you and your success. And today I was inspired by some comments and some concerns that I've been hearing from some patients about their immune systems and how they're worried about their immune systems. And today I wanted to share with you how to protect your body, how to build a stronger immune system. And everybody's heard about vitamin C. So before you pause or move on to another video, today I wanted to share with you there are other antioxidants that are even more powerful than vitamin C out there that you might want to consider. Now, these are things that I do personally myself, and I've been doing them for a number of years now. Before you go ahead and take anything or put anything in your body, if you're pregnant, if you're breastfeeding, if you are on medications, if you have any illness, you need to check with your healthcare provider to make sure these supplements are right for you. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is what exactly is an antioxidant. So an antioxidant, if you think about the cell, I thought this was a good replication of the cell. The cell itself has a membrane, which is more fat. And on the inside is the watery part of the cell. So there's different types of antioxidants. Some of the antioxidants will work better on the inside of the cell. They work better in a water type solution. And other antioxidants work better with the fatty parts of the cell. So some of the antioxidants will actually create like a shield around the cell itself, and some will be working on the inside. So free radicals are what antioxidants fight, and free radicals are produced in your body and they damage the cells. So that's why you need these antioxidants. And the irony with this is as you get older, by the time you're 40 and 50, you're producing 50% less antioxidants. By the time you're in your 60s and 70s, you're only producing 5 to 10% of the antioxidants that you need to help your body fight off all these free radicals. The more antioxidants you have in your body, the better your immune system will function. So let's talk about the three antioxidants that I personally take. One of the first ones that I take is resveratrol. So you've probably heard in the news how chocolate and red wine are really good for your immune system. So they contain polyphenols, and that's what resveratrol is. It's a high content of polyphenols, and that works more on the watery part of the cell. But the wine and the chocolate, the sugar and the alcohol, I don't know how good that is for your immune system, obviously. But resveratrol is something that has a lot of polyphenols, and that will help to protect the inside part of the cell. Vitamin C does the same thing. It works on the inside of the cell as well. Resveratrol also crosses the blood-brain barrier, so it's great for inflammation, and it helps to boost your immune system. Now, the next thing that I wanted to talk about is coenzyme Q10. So lots of people have heard about coenzyme Q10. It's been around for years. There's so much research on it, and it helps to give your cells energy. Coenzyme Q10, as you get older too, you're producing less of the enzyme that will help you convert it into more usable format. So as an older individual, I take ubiquinol. So ubiquinol is the more broken down version of coenzyme Q10, and your body might be a little bit better able to use that. So that will help with your heart health. It's great to give your cells more energy, and it helps to improve your immune system as well. And lastly, I wanted to talk about astaxanthin. That's a mouthful, isn't it? So that's actually produced by algae, and they produce that to protect themselves from the UV light. And astaxanthin's been shown it's more powerful than vitamin C, it's more powerful than beta carotenes. And the great thing about astaxanthin is it has the ability to help the membrane as well as the watery part in the cell. So it kind of does a double duty, and it also can cross the blood-brain barrier. So it's really good for inflammation and also to help your body overall. So I hope you found that these tips were helpful. I think, just being aware that there's more than vitamin C out there might be a good jumping off point for you. Go and do more research. Like I said, these are things that I do personally. I would encourage you to go and speak to your healthcare provider again to make sure that these supplements are right for you before you take anything at all. I hope, again, if you're catching up with us on YouTube, head down into the comment section. If you've missed some of the other episodes that I did on boosting your immune system, I'll put those links in the comment section. If you're finding us on Instagram and Facebook, you can always head over to our homepage where you can pick up the some of the other videos that I did. So please leave me a comment if there's anything else that you'd like me to talk about. I would be more than happy to do that. And until next time, let your healing begin.